Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating your own Shopify store. Whether you're starting a new business or transitioning to e-commerce, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to get your Shopify store up and running. Let's dive in. And remember, if you're ready to get started, use the link in the description below to sign up for Shopify and get started today. First, head over to shopify.com using the link in the description below. You'll land on their homepage where you can click on Start Free Trial. Shopify offers a free trial so you can get started without any commitment. Enter your email address, create a secure password, and choose a name for your store. Make sure the name reflects your brand, as this will be the name customers see when they visit your site. Next, select your store's country and set your currency. This is important as it determines your payment settings and the currency customers will see on your site. After the initial setup, Shopify will ask you to choose a plan. You have a few options, such as the basic, Shopify, and advanced plans. Your choice depends on the scale of your business and the features you need. Select the plan that fits your needs. Don't forget to choose your billing cycle, whether it's monthly or yearly, and enter your payment details. Now let's make your store look amazing. Shopify has a wide selection of themes. You can choose from free themes or explore premium options. To pick a theme, go to Online Store, then click on Themes, and select Explore Free Themes. Pick one that fits the vibe of your business. Once you've selected a theme, you can customize it to match your brand's identity. Customize your theme by adjusting colors, fonts, and uploading your logo. You can also add a homepage slider or promotional banners to make your store stand out. Next, let's add your products. Go to Products and click on Add Product. Enter product details like the name, description, price, and inventory. You can even add high-quality images to showcase your products. Step 4. Setting up your domain. Once your store is set up, you'll want to make it look more professional by adding a custom domain. You can buy a new domain directly through Shopify or connect one you already own. To purchase a domain, go to Online Store, then Domains, and select Buy New Domain. Follow the steps to either purchase or connect your domain. Step 5. Payment and shipping setup. Now, let's get you ready to start accepting payments. Head to the Settings section and click on Payments. Here you can set up Shopify payments or choose a third-party payment provider. Next, go to Shipping in the Settings section. Here you can set your shipping rates, regions, and methods of delivery. Make sure to configure these based on your location and the areas you plan to ship to. Step 6. Launching the store. Congratulations, your store is almost ready to go live. After reviewing everything, click on the Launch button to make your store public. Before you officially open your doors to customers, it's important to test the purchase process. Make sure everything is working smoothly by making a test purchase. And that's it. You've successfully set up your own Shopify store. Now, you're ready to start selling and growing your business. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to use the link in the description below to sign up for Shopify and get started. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Good luck and happy selling.